Stocks started this week searching for direction. The latest round of trade talks between the U.S. and China are going to be hanging over this market all week, just days before higher tariffs are scheduled to take effect. Investors are trying to gauge what, if anything, are going to come out of these talks. And so far, they're getting some mixed messages, and that caused the push and pull that we saw today, ending with the Dow down 95 points to 26,478. The Nasdaq was down 26. The S&P slid by 13. Kayla Tausche starts us off tonight from Washington.
Round 13 of U.S.-China trade talks kicked off in Washington today. Lower-level officials meeting to figure out a menu of items for cabinet-level negotiators and potentially President Trump to take up later this week. With tariffs escalating in days, a potential meeting between Trump and President Xi in weeks, and critical election primaries in months. Here's President Trump today.
I think that we just have to see what happens. I would much prefer a big deal, and I think that's what we're shooting for. Can something happen? I guess maybe. Who knows? But I think it's probably unlikely.
White House advisors are hedging their bets. Economic advisor Larry Kudlow, open-minded.
We are waiting for the Chinese offer. We are open to almost anything right now.
White House trade advisor Peter Navarro told NPR today any deal would have to be comprehensive, with new laws to combat technology theft, something Chinese officials signaling they're unwilling to offer. People close to the talks note that's been a deal breaker for the White House in the past, but U.S. officials want to avoid any more self-inflicted economic wounds. Economist Mary Lovely says the U.S. will have a hard time completely rolling back tariffs now.
The president is going to get much less out of this than was advertised originally, and so he's going to have to say that he's going to keep some powder dry in case commitments are not made or in case we don't move forward.
The next round of tariffs will hit consumer electronics like iPhones and laptops, engines of U.S. innovation, perhaps giving an advantage to foreign competitors like Samsung, who don't assemble products in China, and driving up prices for those that are. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Kayla Tausche in Washington.